Yeah, radio check.
That's 1 minute, Max. So all cars on medium, Max. All cars on medium, other than 3 cars towards the back of the grid on soft. 15 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay, Max. So 1 long burnout, exit turn 18. 4 long burnouts, exit turn 19. And an extra ramp. Okay, Max. So we need mode 4 and strat 3. Last car approaching back of the grid now.
Yeah, nice. Completely fucked, guys. What the fuck, man?
And by Max.
Already the formation, the engine is broken. Engine's broken. Engine's broken, guys. Come on, give
Yes,
some feedback.
stand by, Max. Stand by, Max.
So what should I do?
Just bring it home, please, Max. Go box, Max. On the marks and switch off, please.